Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing the May box of the NewBeauty TestTube box. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. And all my return subscribers, you know that I love you. Love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Juvia's Place Valhalla 2 palette. The colors are so fun, so vibrant in here. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. In the description box down below under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter that one. Just click on the video link associated with this. I also have other giveaways listed there as well. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed, and on the video that the giveaway is introduced, there is a Google form link, and make sure to fill that out. As far as what I have on my eyes today, I love how that turned out. It is from the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. And I did use all the shades in here. So the TestTube box is brought to you by NewBeauty. It's their they do it every other month. It is $29.95 and has a value of over $200. I found some gems, some really good things in here, some things that I have fallen in love with and are a staple in, especially my skincare routine. There's more skincare items in here. Every once in a while they will throw in a makeup item. This is one of my favorite boxes. I love it. I did do a spoiler video for this one a little while ago, but it's been so long I don't even remember what most of the items are. And you don't get to customize this or anything. It's them putting it together for you, and what you get is what you get. So we will be giving away one of the items in here. Like I said before, just watch the video in its entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So it does say that they are celebrating their 15 years here. So most of the items come in this tube, hence TestTube. I think that they were the first subscription box beauty company. So they've been around for a while. Two of the items do not fit in here. So the first item that won't fit is the Dose & Co. Unflavored Collagen Peptides. These do retail for $24.99. They are an award winner from NewBeauty. The most versatile product in the entire Dose & Co. range. The unflavored bovine-derived collagen powder is perfect addition to drinks like coffee or tea, and foods like baked goods and smoothies, nourishing your hair, nails, and skin back to health has never been easier. So I love using collagen powder in the morning when I do a morning tea, so definitely going to be trying this one out. From David's is a premium natural toothpaste and herbal citrus peppermint. If you think about it, toothpaste is one of the most used products, so why are we still buying chemicals-filled tubes? David's herbal citrus toothpaste not only tastes deliciously fresh, but also formulated with naturally sourced ingredients like herbal oil, mint, and citrus to clean the mouth and prevent harmful plaque. So always can use another toothpaste. From Daily Concepts is a daily exfoliating dual texture scrubber. Does retail for $5. When your skin needs a little bit of extra love, reach for this healthy body exfoliator, which works like skin soothing magic in the shower with just a tiny squeeze of body wash. I have loved these things. These are great for when you travel. Love it. From Glow Skin is anti-skin beauty anti-stress drops. This retails for $125. Remember, your box was only like $29. I really love the Glow Skin products that I have tried. Powered by skin boosting antigens, this luxurious serum is clinically proven to not only reduce the redness and sensitivity, but also boost radiance and clarity. According to a study conducted by the brand, 90% of users said that their skin felt calmer after 1 week of use. So that sounds pretty cool. From NewBeauty is the Super Hydrator, retails for $48. Filled to the brim with long-chain hyaluronic acid, this moisturizer delivers enough hydration to keep skin plump and luscious for a full 24 hours. Our favorite part, we saw visible skin repair with just a few days of use. I really like the NewBeauty products. I think they are really good. Kind of an underrated brand. I really like them. Perfect to keep in your car. This is the Hello Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer Spray. Retails for $3.99. With hand sanitizers slowly peeling up in your purse, we need to narrow them down to one that does it all. Hello Spray comes in 4 bright, unique scents and is made from plant-based alcohol, allowing us to say goodbye to dry, cracked hands and hello to soft, clean, and fresh ones. This one is in aloe and sea minerals. The last product in here is from Floss Lip Advocate. It does retail for $18. For days when you're looking for a sheer tint instead of a bright pop of color, Floss Lip Advocate will be your go-to. With different universally flattering colors, you're sure to find one that's your pout's perfect match. This one is in the shade Proof, secret word, floss. So here's what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's this gorgeous rose color. I'm not going to swatch it because this is what we're going to give away in today's video. So I thought it was a pretty good box. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So what you need to do for this, in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it that secret word. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same Beauty Ama B, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Let's have this giveaway go through June 11th, and then on June 16th, we'll go ahead and do our little spin the wheel where I put in people's first names, first initial of their last name, and make sure that they've done what they needed to. I also let the computer know who has extra bonus entries. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss in transit, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. So now, regarding the Google Forms, your privacy is very important to me. Nobody else has access to those Google Forms. As soon as the giveaway is over, I go and delete the Google Forms. I don't sell your information, anything like that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark that to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings. Mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I love giving back to you guys, and I try doing a giveaway from each of my unboxings. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.